Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Lisa and Timothy with the Home Hunters, and we'll be showing you two houses today, both which are inexpensive. The first is in Leola, South Dakota. It's listed at $87,000, and it's on 1241 Church Street. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1366 square feet, and it has about a 10,000 square foot lot. It was built in 1915, and it's been on the market for 16 days now. This house is more of a Victorian style inside. It's very nice. See, on the outside it has a metal roof. Lots of peaks on the roof too. It's nice style.
This will be really pretty when it's landscaped.
It will be, yeah. Pushing bushes and flowers out here in the flower bed, yeah. Maybe some trees out here too. This property used to have trees on it, but they tore them down.
Yeah, we looked at the street view, and it was beautiful when there were green trees everywhere.
Yeah, I think they should have kept the trees, personally.
I do too. Beautiful window there. Look at that.
There's the living area here.
Door.
Hardwood flooring. Looks like they were painted hardwoods. Very nice trim around the windows and doors. Yeah.
It's a beautiful room.
It is, yeah.
I love these pillars over here too.
Nice pillars. You can see into the dining area over there too, with a lot of windows. The dining room also has the same hardwood floors in here.
I love this room, don't you?
It's very nice, yeah.
All the windows.
The windows are very nice, yeah. 3 windows. Also, the kitchen is right off the dining area here.
Those windows let in a lot of light.
They do, yeah. Lots of natural light in this house. And here is another part of the living area on the other side of the entryway. It's kind of like a sitting area, sitting room.
Yeah.
Looks like the bathroom is right off here also. One of the bathrooms, at least.
They're using that room for an office, aren't they?
Yeah, it looks like it, yeah. There's a desk and a chair right here, yeah. Here's a kitchen area with some brown cabinets in here. I'm guessing the kitchen sink is around that way, over there. And there is a white stove and white refrigerator. Yeah, there's a kitchen sink over there, under that window. Looks like it has vinyl flooring in here, in the kitchen area.
Pretty big kitchen.
It's pretty good sized, yeah.
Yeah, it curves around.
And I can see a side-by-side washer and dryer over there in the corner. There's kind of like a separate area. That's your utility room off the kitchen. Here's the first bathroom here. I can't tell what's back there. It could be a tub shower combo. It's hard to be sure. And here's the utility room right off the kitchen.
That's nice.
Some paneling in here, yeah. It's a pretty nice area for your washer and dryer, yeah.
Got room for a little storage over there too, you know.
You do, yeah. It's kind of off of the kitchen, so it's not right in the middle of everything, you know. Some kind of bonus room here. Looks like it may have been an addition. Lots of windows in here.
Yeah.
It could be a sunroom.
It looks like a sunroom, doesn't it?
Yeah, probably is, yeah.
I love the front door. Beautiful carving in there.
Very nice woodwork, a very nice knob too, you know. Window, very nice. Here's your stairway going up. Lots of nice redwood in here, it looks like, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Redwood, possibly. Very nice trim. Lots of good wood accents in this house. Your banister here. It does have hardwood flooring upstairs also. Here's your first bedroom. Nice flooring in here, nice trim too. The furniture goes with the wood perfectly. Yeah, ceiling fan up here too. Here's a second room there. Yeah, here's a second bedroom here. Yeah, nice big bedroom. Hardwood flooring up here also. I love the doors in this home too.
Those are beautiful.
They're very nice styled wood doors.
Yep, and the framework around them is beautiful.
Yeah, lots of nice natural light in this house also.
Yep.
Windows let in a lot of light.
They do.
Looks like a bonus room upstairs. Looks like it's being used as a workout area, possibly. And here's the bathroom upstairs.
It's a big bathroom.
It's right off one of the bedrooms here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, very large bathroom. Big
like
bathroom.
A new pedestal sink.
Mm-hmm.
The toilet looks really clean, if not brand new.
Yeah. There's a walk-in shower over here too. Big windows in here also. Look at these huge windows.
Wow, I've never seen such big windows in a bathroom.
Yeah, nice double windows.
I love that.
Yeah, it's very nice. Breaker box. It's like the air conditioner or furnace down the basement. It does have a detached one-car garage here. It's a pretty big garage, you know. It looks like there's a lot of space in here.
Yeah. It's like a small house.
It is like a small house. Yeah, it's huge.
I see a propane tank, and I think I possibly saw either like a storm shelter.
Yeah, I saw it at the front of the house earlier.
Yeah.
It might be a storm shelter, yeah. But I mean, I know I saw the furnace, air conditioner in the basement earlier too.
Right there by that bay window.
Yeah. There's sidewalks down the streets of this neighborhood.
It's really a cute house. It just needs a little bit of dressing up.
Yeah, just landscaping mostly.
Flowers.
Landscaping would make it look really nice. Let's see who listed it and see what their contact information is, and then we can look at the overhead and street view. Ronda Geffre, phone number 605-377-4291 with Leola Realty. Okay, so here it is from overhead. It's a small town, but it does have a grocery store right down the street. 1045, the Oops store, grocery store. So looks like it has a thrift shop here, and there's the Leola Realty right down the street. County auditor is over here, and the health department is also there. There's also some convenience stores in the area, and there's a police department too. Not too far away. Looks like it's in the northern part of South Dakota, not too far from the North Dakota border. It's southwest of Frederick, northwest of Aberdeen, and east of Mountain City. Let me see if I can spot any bigger cities in the area. Sometimes it's hard for me to recognize cities in North and South Dakota. There's Redfield to the south. Okay, let's look at the street view now. Okay, here it is on Street View as of March 2025. Looks like it has a good amount of land, you know.
That's very nice.
It said it only had 10,000 square feet lot, but it seems bigger than that to me.
Yeah, well,
because this is part of your property over here.
Yeah.
And I think that red thing right there, that red shed, is probably the neighbors. So I would think your boundaries would be like right here or something, you know?
Yeah.
Looks like that might be a driveway from... Oh, that looks like an alley, okay. Alley right there. And the garage. It's on a corner lot.
You can see where they got rid of the trees there.
Yeah, you can see spots here, 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 here.
That was very disappointing how they cut all those trees down, because I'd like to show them the street view when they had those beautiful trees.
This was August 2023. Right here. This is what it used to look like.
Before they cut all the trees down.
There's lots of trees out here as of, 2023. But then they cut them all down by 2025.
Disappointing.
It is. Look at the area, the neighbors around you. Not a bad looking area. Pretty nice.
What's that building across the street?
I don't know what that is. It might be someone's private garage.
Yeah.
There's a Jeep parked outside. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, now we can move on to the second property today in Butler, Alabama. But before we do, I do want to ask everybody to like the video and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and it helps you'll be able to keep up with our videos in the future too. The second one.
This one is 59.5, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,032 square feet, built in 1979. It's on a little bit over 1/3 of an acre, 0.38 acre. It's been on the market for only 4 days.
Pretty nice looking on the outside. Has some nice bushes out here.
Lots of trees behind it.
Has a small front porch, big double windows in the front. Looks like it's partially brick. Yeah, I like the trees around it. Looks like they're dormant at this time.
Yeah. Because this just went on the market.
Yeah.
4 days ago, so.
Yep. So everything's dormant right now. Looks like it has a big air conditioner in the back, look.
Yeah.
Large air conditioning unit there.
I wonder if that's new.
I'm not sure. Nice backyard. Nice and level. Looks like it has a 6-foot fence on one side of it here.
Yeah.
Might be able to fence off the rest of it. Here's the main living area. It looks like it has some older carpet in here and does have some paneling. You do have those big double windows in the front. And there's your front door right there.
This needs to be painted.
Yeah, painted a lighter color probably.
Yeah.
There's a whole hallway leading back to the bedrooms.
I wonder if there's hardwood floors under that carpet.
I don't know. Maybe. Could be. That'd be really cool if there was.
It looks like there's hardwood floors in the room next to it if you look over to the left.
Yeah.
That looks like hardwood, but I can't tell from this angle.
The hallway?
See it a little bit better.
Yeah, I can't really see. It might be the kitchen that we're seeing, possibly.
Yeah.
There's the kitchen area. It looks like the kitchen has some laminate floors.
That was laminate, okay.
Looks like might be damaged in certain areas here and there. Looks pretty rough.
It does.
You do have a big window above your kitchen sink, though. There's a spot for the stove over there. Looks like it has a pantry area also. Let me show the pantry again. Okay, right there, I think that's a pantry probably. Could be a water heater closet, but I'm thinking pantry. And the refrigerator would go here. Looks like I can see a closet in there with a washer. There's your eating area here, dining area, and the kitchen. Okay, there's a washer and dryer right off the kitchen area. It's got a separate closet where it is. Has some extra shelving in here too. There's the hallway again. They took a lot of photos of this house. It's a good thing. Looks like the first bedroom here. Similar to the living area, paneling and carpeting. I'm guessing this is the second bedroom here. This is probably the third bedroom. All the bedrooms look pretty similar, so it's a little hard to tell which one is which.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they got all three of them on here.
That one looks like it has a bathroom.
Yeah, this one looks like maybe the master bedroom, possibly. Yeah, it's a little bigger and it has a bathroom attached. This is probably the master bedroom.
The carpet does look good, considering how old it is.
Pretty good shape, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, looks like they tried to take care of this place.
They did. It seems like it. Yeah. Here's a second bathroom, or one of the bathrooms at least. Okay, let's see who listed it now. And we're gonna look at the street view. It was listed by Ron A. Mason with Southern Oaks Land and Realty. Phone number is 205-499-4663. Okay, here it is on the overhead. It is in Butler. Butler does have an Ace Farm and Home Supply. Has a hospital too. And has a Subway.
A little restaurant called Granny's Spoon.
Yeah, that's some high schools, elementary schools too.
Patrician Academy. Has an income tax and accounting place also.
Yeah. see where it's located now. In Butler, Alabama, so looks like it's more in the southwest part of it, west of Montgomery and southwest of Birmingham. Not too far from Meridian, Mississippi. Okay, here's a street view now. It's been a pretty nice area. I like the chairs out here on the front porch.
Yeah.
And here's what the trees look like in November. More green then. Got some privacy over here from the neighbors. Across the street from you. Some more houses over here. Probably just one house actually. One house with a carport area. It's a pretty nice community, you know. Pretty nice houses around you. A lot of brick homes in the area. Well landscaped yards.
That house is really nice on the end, isn't it?
It is very nice, yeah. And there's a driveway, of course, paved driveway. With 1-car carport. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future, and we will see you in the next one. Have a nice day, and remember, your new home could be in the next video.